Hi friends, in this session I am going to show MongoDB update operations like update one, update many, replace one, and insert operations like insert one and insert many. Similarly, delete operation, delete one, delete many, and bulk write. Using bulk write we can do all these insert, update and delete operations. So I'll show in the RoboMongo 3T. So I have employee details table. First I am going to use with update one. So dot update, I'm using update one, it returns me the status. If I'm not passing any query, it will take the first record. So or else I'll just pass the user ID, thanks, user ID colon thanks. So when this query is met, I'm going to update some fields. So $set I'm going to change the employee code from E3 to E4 and region to CA to New York NY. So employee code, copy employee code to E4 and region equal to NY. So I'm going to do update one. So when I run, it returns me the status saying it's acknowledged and it modified one count. The matched count query count is 1 and it updated one record. So let's go and see this. I need to select the entire query. So employee code is updated to E4 and region is updated to NY. Similarly, if I want to update two records, like the next two records which are starting with J, we have three records. So I'll use update many to update those records. I'll use update many. For them, common is last name is starts with J. Last name starts with J. So for them also I'm going to change employee code is E5 and region is NY. When I run this, sorry, I have not used the regular expression, that's why it didn't find any record and it gave me the match count 0. See, now it found 3 matched records, so it updated 3 records. If I come here, these 3 records are updated. In case if there is no matching condition, previously we got 0 records updated. When I pass last name alone capital J, it didn't update any record because it didn't find anything. If I want to insert, if there is no record available, if I want to insert, I can use upset colon true. What it does, if there is a matching record, it will update the record, else it will insert the new record into the database. If I do this, see, we have inserted new record with upset, ID is underscore ID is this. When I run this table, we have a new record. See what are the fields we have passed, last name and employee code and region. So in all operations of update, I can use upset. If there is a matching condition, it will insert, otherwise if there is a matching condition, it will update, otherwise it will insert the new record, whatever the values we have passed. So similarly, we have update one, replace one. The difference between update one and replace one is replace one replace the entire record. In case of update, whatever the fields I want to modify, I can just pass and I can set. See, in case of E5 and region, I just added. If I use replace one, last name of J, and if I am passing first name, Suresh, comma last name sham. When I pass this replace one, replace operation document does not contain atomic operations. I should not use $set here. I just need to pass what are the fields. See, now it was saying match count is 1 and modified 1 record. Before in the replace last name J we have region and employee code. When I run this, it has removed the employee code. Whatever the values I have passed now, only Suresh, Sham and NY, these three are alone was there, and remaining, even though the employee code was there before, it was replaced, it was removed. So when you use replace one, entire document is updated with the whatever the data we are passing in the this module. Whatever the data we are passing, it will be updated. In case if you have some fields already available, even if you don't want to change, we have to use update. If you want to get the new document just with the ID same, underscore ID alone same, then we can use replace one. That is replace one. Similarly, we have MongoDB insert operation. If you want to insert new records into the DB, I can use MongoDB insert. So I can use db.collection.insert, and if I want to pass a single record, I can use a single record alone. I'll just copy some data and I'll insert the data. So I'll just take some details till hobbies. So I'll change user ID, thanks. I'll add 11 so that it is the new record to identify. See, I am passing only one object, so it will do only one record. It will be inserted into DB. See, one record is inserted. It gives the right result. So if I come here, new record is inserted with the what are the details we have provided. If I want to insert multiple records, I can pass in the array, comma, with one more record. This time I will give us user ID 22, Tom's 22, and this one is also already we have inserted, so I will change it to 33, Tom 33. I need to close this. So now it will update, it will insert two records into database. So when I come here, it gives the results, so that in that it says inserted. When I come here, see, two records are resulted. It is using the ordered list 3322. In case if I am using, by default update insert many will take the ordered list. If I am passing two records, if one is failed, if I am passing multiple records, if in while processing, if one of the record is failed, it will stop processing the next record. If I use ordered false, it will process all the records, whichever is failed will be ignored. Example, in the same example, what I'll do, I'll pass underscore ID, which is unique in MongoDB. If I pass same ID for the both the records, underscore ID, at both the records same underscore ID, and I'll pass one more record, this same record. So now I have three records, and third one I'm not passing underscore 3. This is third record, this is second record, and this is first record. So by default it is ordered true, so it will come and execute this record, it will insert. When it comes here, it fails because the ID is already there, so it will not go and insert the third record, even though third record can be executed. So when I run this, see, we are getting duplicate key error. If I come here, it inserts the first record. Instead of this, if I use ordered false, it will not go in the same order. So here this time I will change the employee underscore ID is 124 2, and this Tom's ID is 44. So when I run this time it will insert 2 records, even though it got the duplicate key error. I come here, see we have 10 records. Now it will be inserting 3 records. We got only 1. Let me check. Ordered false. See, it should be after my array. That's why it was not working. Let me add it properly. Ordered false. When I run this, comma expected. Here no comma. We have 2 records with ID. So let me check now. It is inserted 2 records. R2. I'll remove some data and I'll make it clear. See, I have first employee with user ID 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Second employee user ID 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here it is 6 6, and this is 7 7. These are 3 records. First 2 records are having underscore ID is same, and the last one is not having any underscore ID. So MongoDB will create one unique underscore ID and it will insert. After end of this array, I am passing one more argument, ordered equal to false. And when I run this query, it will not work in the ordered, it will run in the unordered way. So when it sees the error in the second record, it will go to third record, it will execute the third record. So let's run. Now we have 13 records. It should insert 2 records. See, 14 and 15 got inserted. So if you are using unordered, then it will insert all the records. Only the records which are having the issue will be ignored. If you are going with the ordered way, all the records will be stopped once the error is coming. After that, no records will be inserted. This is how ordered and works. So similar like insert, we have insert one and insert many. This is same. If I insert many, instead of passing here insert with array arguments, I can just pass insert many. Both are same, only the return type is different. Here it gives the right result. There in case of insert many, it returns the status, how many records are updated it will be giving. I'll just insert 3 records. When I insert this, I should get acknowledged 2 and inserted 3 records. See, I got acknowledged 2. What all the inserted IDs also it will give us. This is for insert many. Insert many also uses by default ordered true. So if you want to use ordered false, we can set the same like how we are doing for insert. We can set it. If I want to insert one record, only one record, I can use insert one. That time no need to use array. I will just pass only one element to the one element. So now one record is inserted, and this is the object ID underscore ID of this inserted record. So now we have 3 records for the insert many and 1 record for insert one. So both are same. Insert and insert one or insert many works in the same way. Only the return type is different. So now we have delete operation. Delete operation is if you want to delete one record, I can use delete one. If you want to delete multiple record, I can use delete many. So I'll go to RoboMongo. I'll use delete many. For delete, there is no details employee db.collection or delete method. We can use either delete or delete one or delete many. So delete one, I have to pass the condition query, whichever the query satisfy that record will be deleted. If I am not passing anything, it will delete the first record. So here I will use user ID Irani, user ID colon. So when I run this, O is capital, delete one. See, it acknowledged and it is saying how many records are deleted. Deleted count is 1. So the first record this record will be deleted, 5th record Irani. See, now the Irani record is deleted. Similarly, if I want to delete multiple records, I can use delete many. With user ID starts with T, then it will delete all these records. User ID starts with, so I will use the regular expression here. See, it deleted 8 records. 8 records are having with user ID starting with T, so it deleted. If I see, now we have only 10 records. If I am not passing anything in this query, it deletes all the records in the DB. That I will show with one more table which I have 3 records. See, I will do dot students dot delete many. I will not pass any. See, when I run this, it should delete all the records. We got the acknowledged, it deleted 3 records. So if I see the database, we have no records. So we are not passing any query to delete many, it will delete all the records which are there in the table. That is how delete works. After delete, we have BulkWrite. If you want to do multiple operations together, I can use BulkWrite. Like it supports insert one, update many, replace one, delete many. All these are supported by BulkWrite. So I will go to RoboMongo. I will use dot BulkWrite. So if I want to insert, it takes array of values, operations, bulk operation. Insert one. I want to insert one record. I'll just copy some employee detail. From here I'll copy user ID. Sorry, I have to specify it is a document, insert one. It's a document. Let's see. See, now it's saying, it gives the status like whether it is acknowledged or not, deleted count, inserted count, matched count, if it is doing any upset operation, upset count, inserted. Because it is inserted, it is given the inserted record underscore ID value also. So if I go here and check, one more record is inserted with the given underscore ID value. But with BulkWrite, I can do multiple operations. Same insert one more time I can do. All should be comma separated. So I have to use one. This time I'll use user ID is 555. And if I want to update also, I can do update. Update one. colon. For update, I have to use the filter condition. What is the query condition I am using to update, and what is the updated document. So I'll check in the DB. Maybe I'll check for first name rag. I'll change the age to 30. First name colon rag update $set. I'm going to change the age to 30. So when I run this, now it should say inserted 2 records, updated 1 record. And if I'm using okay, I'll just run this. See, now 2 records are inserted count is 2, and matched count is 1. Let's go and check. Age is updated to 30, and it inserted 2 more records. In case if it didn't find any person, if I pass upset true, so if I want to use upset, I can set upset true. If there is no matching record, it should insert the new record. This is for update 1. So 2 records to insert. One for upset and one more updating the existing record. First name is Sham, age is 37. I'll change it to 40. Similarly, if I want, I can replace, I can use sim replace one, so filter, I'll check the document which I want to replace. I'll use first name, last name Suresham. First name is Suresh, copy value. Replace colon first name test comma last name Suresh. I'll add one more for delete one operation. This we have closed. Delete one. Delete one is having only one filtered condition. I want to delete person age 30. So I'll run this query. Replacement field not exist, we are getting. So it's saying it's not replacement field. Replacement. Run the query again. Not defined replacement. Replacement. See, when I run this, it has inserted 2 records because we have inserted 1, 2, and updated one record. With upset it updated one record which is not there, and it changed the sham age to 40, and for the first name Suresh is changed to test and Suresh, and it should delete one record with age 30. So it is deleted. Count is 1, inserted count is 2, matched count 1, upset count 1. So let's see, age 30 record is deleted, and last name is Suresh and test is this is the replacement record. Similarly, update is happened. It is updated to rack. This is upset record because it was not there. It inserted again. So with the BulkWrite, instead of using, if you want to do multiple operation at one time, we can use BulkWrite. So for insert, we have to just pass the document what you want to insert. We can do multiple insert also by passing multiple records. Insert one with a number of documents I can pass. If I want to update, I'll use update one. For update, I can use filter condition. What condition you want to update? Inside update, what all the fields you want to update, we have to pass. In case if you want to use upset, we can pass upset true or false. If you want to replace particular record, I can use replace one. And what filter condition we have to provide, and what is the replacement, what are the fields you are going to update. If you want delete, we can use delete one. For delete, it is only need filter condition. Based on the condition, it will delete the records. So that is, and we get the status. How many records are, and will after running the query, we'll get how many records are deleted, how many are inserted, how many are updated, how many are upsetted. Means the record is not found. Again, how many count is inserted. It gives the object IDs also, that unique IDs which is created for these records also will be given. Thank you friends. Please subscribe to my channel.